Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see that how we can execute modules as scripts. Okay. So when you run a Python module with Python fibo.py and then if you pass arguments, then in this case what will happen, the code in the module will be executed. Okay. So if you're writing it this way, in that case, this is my module which is fibo.py, right? So inside this, whatever code is there, that will be executed, just as if you imported it. Okay, so if you're importing, then also it gets executed, right? So in the similar manner, if you're writing it this way, then also it will get executed. But the difference is that when you're writing it this way, then whatever that name is there, this is a variable, right, using which we can get the name of the module. This we have seen in the previous lectures. Okay, so here this name will be set to main. This is the only difference. Okay, so no matter what is the, actually if you see here, the module name is different, it is fibo.py, right? But still, if you print this name, then what will be printed? Main will be printed always. Okay, so if you are executing like this, whatever is your module, no, it doesn't matter. The thing is that name will be always set to main. Okay, that means that by adding this code at the end of your module, okay, so you can actually, this is one code snippet given, that you can write some kind of code like this, that is, if name is equal to main, which will be true because it is main, right? So if it is equal to main, then you can import sys. Okay, so sys is another module, so import system module. Then in that you can call for the fib function, okay, in which you are passing this system.argv of 1, okay, which is converted to int. So this kind of things you can do. So this is one such example given. So by doing this, what is happening, you can make the file usable as a script as well as an importable module, because the code that parses the command line only runs if the module is executed as the main file. Okay, so command line will only run the module if it is executed as a main file. Okay, and that is the reason why the name will always be set to main, because if it is not main, if the name is not main, then it will not run only, it will not execute only. So for that purpose, the name always has to be set as main, right? And how we can set that? We can set it if we are writing it this way. We are running the Python module in this manner. Okay, so that is what is happening. And what is the benefit here? Benefit is that the file we can use as a script also, and importable module also. Okay, as you can see here, if we are executing it this in this way, then as a script we are executing it, and otherwise definitely we can import it also in some other module. So this is the benefit how you can do it. Okay, so like one example is given here. If you're writing it this way, Python fibo.py, so this is the module name you have to write, and here whatever arguments you want to pass, you can pass. So like here 50 is passed, so till 50 whatever like the Fibonacci series is printed here, right? Okay, now if the module is imported in this manner, that is directly you're writing import fibo, in that case this particular file is not going to run. Okay, why? Because here the name is not set to main, and since it is not the main file, it will not get executed. Okay, so that is why if you directly want to execute this module, okay, in that case you will have to write it this way. So I hope it is clear. Now, this is often used either to provide a convenient user interface to a module or for testing purposes. So these things where it is used for generally testing purposes and all, because running the module as a script executes a test suite. Okay, so this is the overall purpose of doing it. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. We will continue with this module search path in the next lecture. Thank you.